Do you know anything of Silas' operation? How many men we might expect? The nature of their defenses? You must be rather important to him if you were given your own escort.
Sir, we've enemies ahead. Shall I engage them?
No. Let Jonathan and Thomas take care of it.
As you wish.
I wish you'd trust us. Though I suppose it's only natural for you to be wary. So be it.
Halt! Identify yourselves! Where is Lieutenant Jones? What's the meaning of this?
Engage the enemy! Let no man reach us!
Looks like you're to meet the Reaper.
On your guard, men!
Bringing fresh meat, eh?
Of course.
Only say the word, and I'll cut them down.
Engage the enemy!
Come on, then. Looks like
Who's your
you're to meet the Reaper.
All clear!